Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Anaconda Navigator and verifying the base environment. This gives you a stable starting point. Once done, glance at the Python version shown so you know what you already have. If you plan separate projects, create a new environment now to avoid conflicts. Choose a Python version that matches your project needs. Make sure to enable visible channels like Conda Forge if you need extra packages. Then proceed to the Environments tab for the next step. Now create your dedicated environment and pick a clear name so you'll find it later. Select the Python version required. After creation, use the GUI to search and mark packages to install, then click Apply. This ensures Conda resolves dependencies for you. If a package isn't available, open the terminal from Navigator and run conda install or pip install as needed. Once packages are installed, register kernels for Jupyter or integrate with VS Code so you can run code immediately. Finally, launch your chosen IDE from Navigator's Home tab and ensure the selected environment is active. This guarantees your code runs with the intended interpreter. Run a quick test script that imports key libraries and prints a result to confirm everything works. If you encounter errors, pause and verify the active environment, check package versions with Conda list, and update or reinstall problematic packages. A common fix is switching the kernel or recreating the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.